Hello and welcome to the RYOBI workshop. I'm here to tell you about RYOBI's cordless 1+ HP high torque impact wrench, part of the 1+ HP range, our highest performance series of 18-volt tools that feature our most powerful brushless motors. As the most powerful impact wrench in the entire 1+ range, it will remove almost any nuts and bolts you come across with ease. In the box, you will find the impact wrench, a belt hook, a 1/4-inch hex adapter which allows you to use standard 1/4-inch screw bits, and depending on the kit you purchase, it may come with batteries and a charger. This tool features 4 different torque settings, allowing you to easily set the maximum speed for the task at hand. Torque 1 is for working with smaller nuts and bolts in the engine bay. Torque 2 is for working with wheel nuts. And Torque 3 is for fastening and removing the toughest nuts and bolts. The final mode is an auto stop, which is set to stop automatically when it reaches 120 Newton meters. This prevents over-tightening of wheel nuts, so you don't need to worry about damaging your car when you're making speedy tyre changes. The 1/2-inch friction ring allows for easy socket change and removal, and is compatible with any 1/2-inch socket on the market. And for when you're working in engine bays or dimly lit garages, the tri-beam LED light provides enhanced visibility of your workspace. RYOBI's innovative brushless technology means the engine-dense motor spins faster, providing more power to provide torque of up to 1,000 Newton meters of fastening torque and 1,600 Newton meters of breakaway torque. To put that into perspective, this gives you enough power to fasten or remove rusty wheel nuts from larger vehicles like vans or even trucks. This also gives you enough power to work with large structural fixings, great for when you need your home renovations to be extra secure. This high torque impact wrench is part of the 1+ system, meaning one battery can be used to power multiple RYOBI tools for the home and garden. So once you're in the system, you don't need to buy additional batteries and chargers. And there we have it. The RYOBI 1+ HP high torque impact wrench, your sidekick for heavy duty fixing and removing.